Welcome to CarTechHome channel. Like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell down below to keep updated every time we post our latest car troubleshooting guide video.
When the engine is very hot, and you start the engine, then it won't start. The possible reason is that the solenoid is too hot. The solenoid is basically a switch that turns on the starter when you turn the ignition key. When an engine is scorching, it radiates heat outward to all other components, including the solenoid. When it is too hot, it can fail, and thus cause the engine not to start. In this situation, the only thing you can do is wait until the engine, and thus the solenoid, cools off enough to where it will start again. If this problem frequently occurs, you may want to consider installing a heat shield around the solenoid. This will prevent the solenoid from getting too hot on those blistering summer days.